Hello, good day. Welcome on my YouTube channel. I have a lot of work together now, so I'm a little bit busy. Somebody asked me something about sound blasting. He doesn't see any sound blasted materials because I always show the end version or the finished version. Now I'm going to make small movies about this rear cover engine. And first of all, we take it out of each other, take it apart, and let me explain what I'm doing. It's all dirty, greasy, it's bleh. This one, oh, something is wrong. Okay, glue material. This one has a problem, but I'm not using this. But you can see that's the end of the seal, the oil seal. Throw it away, please. Then the back side of the engine cover. I hate it. Okay. Okay. This one is, yes, sharp enough, I hope. I show you a secret how to remove the screws you can't untie. Hit it with a hammer and an old sharp screwdriver, and it's not sharp enough, so I have to make it sharp. Sorry, I'm working on it. Let's do it again. You hit it with a hammer. You hit it like there's a little dent inside, and then you can tap it around. Don't worry. The only problem you can get is that you hit with the screwdriver internal parts, and that's not what you want. But don't worry. I'm not using those parts again. No, this one is playing. No. Whoa. Okay, now it's turned. And you can see. But those parts I don't use any longer, because I am rebuilding it or refurbishing it with a different dynamo or generator, whatever you want to call it. Lichtmaschine of Duits. And I also installing a different ignition, so the only things I need, I will show you later on. The only things I need are the pickup coils for the ignition. Yes. First question in your head, which coils are you needing? Now I'm going to explain that. This one is a bad one, so I leave it there, because when I'm going to sandblast it, I will protect the thread inside. But first I'm going to clean this engine cover after removing all the parts. I think that's enough. No, I'm not ready. Fucking hell, what is fat? If you use good tools, you can hammer it. Stays in one order. It doesn't matter. If you use rubbish, you will damage it. Don't worry about it. So, okay. I think you're with me later on. Now, the dynamo. A lichtmachine. Whatever you call it. Lichtmachine is Duitse Sprache. Das ist für die deutschen Leute unter uns. Und normalerweise, ich mache jetzt wieder auf englische Sprache. Normally, I cut this away because I don't need it any longer. This the power plant for your motorbike, for the lights, lamps, bulbs, and for the battery. Those two coils here are low and high RPM power coils for your CD unit. They will wear out inside, and sometimes you can see a black spot. Then is it burning to ground. I have made a movie earlier 3 years ago, and then you can see the sparks is going to ground. So normally those coils are seizing out or destroyed in time. So time is the one that's killing those things. Then we have a problem here and also here. The later models from the cx500 have some moisture always going at the same side out of the engine cover. Not this one, but the later versions, and that will rot literally. And also there it can rot. It makes kortsluiting. It makes contact with each other, so the coils are blowing out. Those getting overheated, and you can see one black, less black, normal color. And you have 3 common coils, but you see more of them. But you have 3 big windings together, separate over this weak metal coil. What do we use? Those things are the pickup coils for my CD unit, so I'm going to need that. Remember, there is a L left side and an R right side on those coils. If you put it in the rear cover, you are looking at the wrong way of driving. So the right pickup coil goes to the left side, and the left goes to the right side. And if you're going to drive, it's going like that, yes, and it is mounted like that in your engine, then is the R on the right side and the left on the left side, because you're working in opposite direction. Remember, you drive your bike, right side is the right side, you sit on the bike, you go to the front, and the left side is the left side. When I'm standing on the left side of the bike, you can say left or right, but that's wrong. What I meant to say is, look from the driver's view and then decide what is going to the left and then to the right. And that's the way to mount those things. If you do it wrong, don't worry, it's possible you do it wrong. Then you have to turn those wires here from left to right. Then you solve the problem. Maybe you get another one, but you can solve the problem with fixing those wires. Only you have the wrong color on the wrong place. Doesn't matter. Is that fault, you do the wiring also faulty, and it comes okay. So Now I'm going to close this movie and throw this part away. That one I make clean. And then I'm going to show you how to clean the rear engine cover. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.